Hello guys, we are back again to our channel. So please, if you're new, so please like, subscribe and press bell icon for more videos. So first we open Olymp trade. Everyone know we do binary trading. So first we open and then let's see. Okay, now change the chart. We use Euro USD. First we analyze chart, the second we trade. Okay, market gone downward trend. SNR is very important for binary trading or forex trading. Everyone trade. So SNR price action, that's very main things. First trade $1,000 buy. Okay, our trade in profit. Let's see. Only 30 seconds. Only 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's a profit, baby. Okay, let's see. Again, $1,000 sell. Again sell. Again sell. Again sell. And again sell. Now let's see. Okay. Market gone upward trend. Only 20 seconds. Okay, our all trade in loss. 3, 2, 1. It's a very big loss, bro. Oh no. Anyway, we again do sell. Let's see again what happened there. Only 25 seconds. Only 10 seconds, but market gone upward. So let's see. Profit 2, 1. Oh, it's a very close profit. No, we do mistake. Oh no. I told you, trade small and stay in game. So please remember that thing. Okay, so let's see. We do mistake. Only 20 seconds we have. Six, five, four, three, two, one. Let's see. Okay, a little bit profit. So again we do buy. Because my thought is next candle is buy. So let's see. We have only 35 seconds. If you like my strategy, so please follow me, and I need support, so please support me. Okay. Today is bad day, guys. So that's our trade. So if you're new, so please like, subscribe, and press bell icon for more videos. And again we are back for new strategies. So today is last. Okay guys, we see you soon. Bye bye.